Good communication skills are essential in your online course. There are many different ways you'll communicate with your instructor and other students in your class. So we've created this module to introduce you to common terms you'll need to know and familiarize you with some concepts that we hope will lead you to success in your class. Our job in this module is to teach you that vocabulary that may be used to describe communication in your online class, how communication is different for you as a student when you're learning online, some of the advantages and disadvantages of academic online communication, and how to become an effective communicator in your online course. Let's begin with a few definitions. First, let's talk about the two types of communication that can be used in an online class. Asynchronous communication is when you, your classmates, and your instructor participate in online discussions at different times rather than in real time. So, if you send your instructor a question via email, participate in an online discussion forum, or post to a blog for your class, you are communicating asynchronously. Synchronous communication happens in real time, like having a class discussion in a traditional setting or talking to a teacher after class. But you can communicate synchronously in an online environment too through the use of tools like online chats, internet voice or video calling systems like Skype or Google Hangouts, or through the use of web-based video conferencing software like WebEx, Zoom, or Collaborate. The discussion board, also known as a discussion forum or message board, is one of the most popular features in a course management system. What are some of the methods that you'll use to communicate with your students? The discussion board, also known as a discussion forum or message board, is one of the most popular features in a course management system, and it's one place where your asynchronous classroom discussions can occur. Your instructor may post the first message or prompt and ask students to reply to their initial post, or they may choose to allow students to post a topic or thread and engage the class in an online conversation that way. Both methods are equally effective, and discussion in your online courses are likely to vary. Just like your discussions in a traditional class can differ depending on your instructor and their personal teaching style. Think of a blog as a website, journal, or diary. Blogs are usually run by an individual or a small group. Entries are made periodically and typically displayed in reverse chronological order, so the most recent post will appear first. Most blogs are set up to allow readers to post comments below each entry, and it is often just as informative to read the comments and criticisms of fellow readers as it is to read the initial blog post. Some instructors may require you to post or review blogs during your online course, and they can be a useful source of information. Keep in mind, though, that blogs are typically personal communication platforms, so be sure to double-check facts or information you might find on a blog with a verified source before using it in your research. Now that we've talked a little bit about different kinds of asynchronous communication, let's talk about some forms of synchronous communication. Chat sessions. Many course management systems have a text-based chat feature that will allow you to exchange messages with others who are online at the same time as you. Sometimes instructors will use the chat feature as a way to hold office hours or a study session. Because chat happens in real time, there's a sense of immediate gratification. You don't have to wait several hours or more for a response like you might have to with email. Video calls using systems like Skype are free software applications that will enable you to make voice and video phone calls over the internet. Once you download, register, and install the software, such as Skype, you'll probably want to plug in a headset or a microphone and speakers so that you can hear others and they can hear you more clearly. If you are using a video, you'll need a webcam, but many newer computers and laptops now include this as part of their standard equipment. Finally, video conferencing software applications such as Zoom, Collaborate, or WebEx are designed to support larger groups than Skype can. They can provide a virtual experience that closely replicates an on-campus classroom. Many video conferencing applications include useful features like the ability to share desktops, the ability to share files, online chat windows, virtual whiteboards, and breakout rooms for your small group. So your computer can truly become a window into a live classroom where students and instructors can interact and collaborate at the same time.